The Affordable Care Act is back in the Supreme Court for the second time in 2 years. On Tuesday, justices heard another challenge by conservatives to one of the law's key provisions, the debate over whether corporations can claim religious rights, exempting them from the requirement to provide birth control coverage to employees. Nearly 50 businesses have signed on to the suit, the largest among them, Hobby Lobby. An Oklahoma-based chain of more than 600 arts and crafts stores in 41 states. Any decision would affect more than 15,000 of its employees.
We believe that Americans don't lose their religious freedom when they open a family business.
What's at stake in this issue, in this case, is whether millions of women and their right to preventive care, including birth control, is trumped by a handful of CEOs who have their own personal opinions about birth control.
At the crux of the argument, whether profit-making businesses have the right to exercise religious beliefs, can corporations act as people in the eyes of the law?
They're a Christian organization, and the government should not be able to tell them what to do.
This is a case where the court would for the first time rule, if it sides with the companies, that corporations could express religious views.
Hobby Lobby says it wants to provide coverage for some forms of birth control, but objects to drugs that work after the egg is fertilized. Should the provision be struck down, it could pave the way for a broader range of claims to be made in the name of religious freedom. Robert Bumstead, Associated Press.